All right, well, welcome back to the iWealth podcast, and today we're talking with Mr. Brad, and I cannot tell you how excited I am about our upcoming vacation. My wife and I, we've been doing lots of planning. We were 25 hours or something into planning.
25 hours?
Yeah. It's awesome. Like, we've got every day planned out where we're going to be, like even a couple of campsites all pre-booked out. It's awesome.
Well, what's funny about that, Matt, is that, I mean, the biggest vacation of your life is called retirement. Did you take 25 hours this year to plan that? I mean, think about it. Gratification today because you're going to go on this trip, which is great. I'm glad you're going.
Yeah.
But gratification for the longest retirement, time of your life.
So you're saying I probably should have put, I probably put 45 minutes into planning my retirement so far this year.
All I'm asking is I want to be an equal. Like, give me 25 hours then so that we can, continue to work on that biggest retirement.
So you think that it should be a 1-to-1 is what you're telling me?
Well, it should be if you're doing it on your own. You can cut that down. I mean, okay. you can work with a financial advisor or a team like we have at iWealth to cut those down, but you still have to be intentional and put some time in around it. So, and I'm just picking on you, but it's true. There's a lot of people that will spend more time planning a vacation like you mentioned, then they'll plan on spending the vacation that lasts a lifetime.
Or at least till the end of a lifetime.
Right. Yeah, exactly. So while you're out, driving around the countryside and enjoying your time, somebody else can be putting in the time to have 30 years to drive around the countryside. So yeah, I just think it's really important that people just be intentional with it. And there's some shortcuts. It's like you could have hired a travel agent, right? And you could have paid them a fee and they could have set up this wonderful vacation for you too. You chose to do it yourself, which is totally fine. But we also work with a lot of people that want to cut that down. They want to work with that travel agent that's going to take that away because they don't want to do it.
Yeah.
We walk in that.
You're like the travel agent of retirement.
I've never thought of it that way, but I guess
Brad,
that works.
You are the travel agent of retirement.
Wow, I wonder if we could trademark that or something.
It's a little something special right here on the iWealth podcast.
There you go.
Anything else that we should know besides making me feel guilty for taking 25 hours to plan my vacation?
No, you shouldn't feel guilty about it. And the other thing is, on a serious note, people need more vacations. I mean, it just went through COVID and stuff like that. We use free days. Yep. I go to Strategic Coach, and so, my kids talk about it, my team talk about it, but I make sure that my team takes at least 5 free days, with their weekends will be 7 in a row, at least once a year. People need to get out and rejuvenate. And studies have shown that you actually increase your productivity if you get some time to kind of just regenerate and retool.
Yeah.
So anyway, I commend you on getting that done, but just maybe hire a travel agent.
All right, we'll see you back here next time.
All right.